If your PC is running slow even when all the browsers are closed, this is probably why. I have optimized over hundreds of computers and almost everyone misses this one setting. I used to close my browser and still see my RAM maxed out, fans spinning like crazy until I found what was secretly running in background. Let me show you how to turn this off. So let me start the stream so you can see my screen here. Okay, you should see my screen. All right, so you see I have three browsers open, Brave, Edge, and Chrome. And let me show you my usage. So you see I am currently using 5.6 gigs of RAM out of 8 GB, which is a lot. Let me close every browser here. Let's close this, let's close this, let's close this, and close this. Okay, now my CPU usage and memory usage has been decreased from 5.6 to 5 gigs, and CPU usage has been reduced drastically. But if I see on the processes, I'll still see Chrome browser running, Edge browser running, and Brave browser running, which is confusing because I have closed this, right? Let me open Chrome here. So there is a one setting in every browser which allow the browsers to run in the background. So what you can do is you click on the three vertical dots, then go to settings and go to system. You'll see continue running background apps when Chrome is closed. So browsers generally use these settings to give you notification from WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, even when they are closed. If you use any of those applications on browser and you use those features of notification, I would recommend you not to do this. But if you don't, you can close this out and close the browser. And yeah, you no longer see Chrome browser here. We'll do the same for Edge browser and Brave browser. Let's do this for Brave browser here. You go to settings, you click here, you go to settings, you go to system, and you go click on here. Turn it off, close this browser. Then we go for Edge browser here. Click on settings, we click on system and performance, we go to background mode, we turn this off and this off. It won't work if you don't turn both of these off. Now we'll once relaunch the task manager and we no longer see Edge, Brave, or Chrome browser any longer. And if we check the performance here, it has reduced drastically from 5 GB to 3.5, which is about 1.5 GB of additional space, which were used by these browsers in the background. And this can certainly help you with if you play lots of games and are running tight on the memory. If your PC is still running slow, I would recommend you to watch this video. I have linked it, and yeah, that can help you. Hope you have a great day and learn something new today, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.